The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai.
Get messy, guys. Like, this is why you also sometimes. Oh my God!
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So off the bat, we're going to be showing you guys the beauty of Ghana. And this is Miss Drew, the hostess with the mostest. Alright, so we had a chance encounter by this sandals making guy, and I saw her filming and everything. I was like, yo, are you a YouTuber? And she's like, yes. So I was like, all right, cool, let's go get this collab done. I'll drop the link to her channel in the description box so you guys can go over there and show her some support. Anyway, if you guys want to see how this video started off and the first 2 Ghanaian dishes that I tried for breakfast, you guys have to go check out her video.
Yes.
And now we're stopping for...
We're about to get another type of breakfast. We're about to get some beans. So plantain and beans, also known as red for breakfast.
Yeah, so I definitely had red before, but I'm hoping to see how this spot tastes. So probably I'll tell you which one is better. And then she's gonna take me to get Waakye. I've had Waakye from the supermarket, but that ain't it.
No.
So she's gonna take me for the local one.
Authentic local Waakye in the leaf. That's when it tastes better.
Exactly, cool. Okay, guys, go easy in the DMs. I know you guys will be hitting her up. So anyway, all right, Miss Drew, where exactly are we though? Like, what part of Ghana is this?
Okay,
Legon?
so this is East Legon.
East Legon.
East Legon. So it's usually like, people call it the bougie side, but every bougie side has a ghetto side, right? So yeah, we're in the ghetto side of the bougie, if that makes sense.
And that's where you're gonna definitely find more of the local dishes, not dressed up, real Ghanaian food. So we're about to head in and see what they have. And I'll let you guys know what I think. All right, guys, I don't know if it's because it's post-Valentine's why some of these places aren't quite open as yet.
They're not ready today. Like, they are oversleeping. Oversleeping.
Definitely oversleeping. But Miss Drew, in Ghana, what's like the appropriate breakfast time? Like, what time do people go on the street or to a store and definitely have breakfast ready? Because now it's... What time is it now? It's
8 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 2 after 8.
So people actually start making breakfast, like the street sellers, starts making breakfast from like 4 a.m.
4 a.m.
4 a.m. And so by 6, the House of Cocoa, the Waakye, everybody's out there. And if it's really good, then literally by 10, you'll be lucky if you get anything because we finished.
Wow.
Yes, exactly. So breakfast starts officially from like 6 a.m. Like, people should be ready on the road with food.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So we're going back to Waakye. And Waakye, she was ready, but she's just setting up. So we're just gonna have to sit there and wait for them.
Okay, so like the chairs and stuff.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, so I know a lot of you guys are watching the video right now and you're thinking, yo, I met that girl have an accent. Why just someone like come from foreign? You understand? You know, I was wondering that too. So for those who don't know, Miss Drew is born in the UK.
Born in London, UK. Born and raised there my whole life. And then 3.5 years ago, I decided, oh, what's life? I mean, life is too short to be making someone else's dream come true. So I might as well come to Ghana for a break. I decided to only come for a quick holiday. And then I ended up falling in love and decided I'm gonna be here for good.
Was it the Ghanaian chocolate?
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
I know what you're talking about.
Oh, okay. I didn't mean to be rude, but I was trying to pop it on there really quick is just to see if this terminology in Ghana is real. And it's real. So she knew what was up about it.
Yes, but no, it wasn't really the Ghanaian chocolate. I mean, there's plenty varieties of chocolate around here though. But it wasn't the chocolate. But no, I think I just love the freedom over here. You know, the freedom, the peace, I could do what I want. And I literally get to travel around Ghana, see the beautiful hidden gems that I didn't see when I was coming for holidays with family. And I also get to basically work and film and do what makes me happy, which is eating and traveling.
Vibes.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I also extended my stay out here in Ghana, because there was so much I thought that I wanted to do, whether it's from food, whether it's culture, whether it's the history. And yeah, I'll definitely be back. I'm leaving in a couple of days, but for now, we're hanging with Miss Drew.
Yes. Maybe I'm gonna bring him on TV with me, you know?
And for those who are wondering, what does she mean by bring us on TV? You work for TV
station.
TV station, exactly.
So I do TV, I used to do radio. I do quite a lot of things actually in Ghana.
Nice.
But yes, TV weekly where I get to showcase the travel stuff that I do in Ghana. I get to put it on TV and I have a whole show on travel. So having Stephen over here, that'll be great.
Nice. So I have a question. How is it that you got this type of, because I'm guessing it's a good job.
Yeah.
How did you get this kind of job?
What, being in Ghana?
Yeah,
I think it was just luck. Because I guess I was doing TV and radio in London. I was doing it in London, yes. But it was more of like a side hustle. So when I came to Ghana, I was like, I want to do this full time. I started off doing, you know, work experience. And then it was just like, no, Drew, we want to employ you fully. We like your accent, we like your vibe, we like your energy. And then literally everything came together. God made a way and look at us now. We're on TV.
Vibes. Like, that's one thing I said. I was thinking in my head, I was just like, I wonder if the accent, because it sounds really good. I like listening to British people speak. Is it the same enough people love listening to Jamaican people at chat? But anyway, so that's a vibe that you actually love the whole TV thing. And what's funny, you never know who you'd meet. At one point I was in the Volta region watching TV in my hotel room, then I see this person on the TV. I was like, this girl look like somebody I know. The hostess with the most.
They are lining up now.
Alright, nice. Alright, so
yes.
You know about rice and peas?
Of course I know about rice and peas.
I'm gonna put you on the spot. Are you ready?
Go on, do it.
Alright, cool. Waakye or rice and peas?
Oh, when you said put me on the spot, I didn't think like that. Eesh.
You know what?
That's
I don't want him to fight you out here.
I don't want no trouble.
Me can say it, cause I don't know no boy afraid of. Saying rice and peas straight. There's no debate. I don't care what's gonna be the best. I don't care what's the best thing in the earth here. Rice and peas for me is going to be forever #1. But however, I might get surprised today. I'll tell you guys exactly what the flavor profiles are. Because the funny thing about food, what I might like, it might not be something that you like, and what you like might not be something that I like. Food is a language in itself, and that's definitely okay if we agree to disagree. Okay, so back on the topic of Waakye.
Yes.
So on the sign, it shows that they have the best.
They are the best.
In Ghana.
I'm not gonna lie. This is my favorite place, and I don't really eat street food that much, you know?
Okay.
And I don't really eat roadside food that much. But this Waakye, if you even go on my YouTube, guys, I have a video where I started learning how to make it with the ladies.
Really?
So yes, gone inside, like from the beginning, I was serving everyone. But this is the best Waakye in the whole Ghana. Well, let me just say East Legon before anyone starts beating me up. This is the best Waakye in East Legon, and you're about to try it and understand why. It'll be better than the one you've been trying.
The one I've been trying, to be fair, has been supermarket grade. So
this is like local, authentic, like done properly. Like these ladies woke up at 4. I know. They woke up at 3 and they came here and started cooking from 4.
Nice.
It's a real hustle, guys.
Hey.
Thank you. Oh, can we have a spoon or fork? Because I don't think you're gonna eat with your hands right now.
Not this morning.
This is a bit too messy.
So, question. I noticed like at these places, people always say 2 cedis, 4 cedis.
Yeah.
So you sell it by cedis, like how much worth
CDs
you want.
So right now we got 4 CDs worth of rice.
Okay.
And thank you. Thank you. Right, so we got 4 CDs worth of rice.
What was the total spend?
So our total spend with all of this that we got came up to 7 CDs, guys.
Really?
That's not even £1.
Oh my god.
And you're gonna be full. So wait till you show them. Can you guess how much this weighs, guys? This is heavy.
So today, guys, using a spoon, not my hands today.
Yes.
For those persons who are a little bit worried out with the hands.
Oh yes, because in Jamaica you're taught to eat with knife and fork.
Correct.
As courtesy.
All right.
But in Ghana, when you come here, they say when you eat with your hands it tastes better.
I won't lie, some of the foods it does taste better. Yeah, honestly.
So you need to take a picture and show them what you've got.
Oh hell yeah.
Because guys, there's a masterpiece in here.
Ooh-wee.
Yeah, local.
Ratchet.
Alright.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Feeling heavy?
Feeling very heavy. This food feels like at least a pound, like
Yeah.
2 pounds, I would say.
Uh-huh.
Shoot.
Look at that, guys.
Check it out. We should have asked like the name of the leaf. What is it called?
Okay, I know that is a haban leaf. I'm not saying it properly, but I'll find out the proper name for you.
Drop it in the comments.
If you
What's the
know.
proper name or the pronunciation for
Yes.
us? So it's like a haban leaf.
Yeah, so you open it from the bottom, so
Okay.
just under here. Good.
Ah, there we go.
And there you go, like you just, ooh, ooh.
Ratchet.
Look at all of that, guys. So you got your rice in there. He's got his plantain. What? Plantain in Ghana, plantain in Jamaica.
Yeah, shit. Plantain.
You got your sausage. You got your stew. You got your shit on. He's smiling. He's
Oh,
excited.
yeah.
This
Guys.
is local.
Look at it. Look at this.
All right.
All right, let's dig in. So the dish on the list today that I needed to try locally is the waakye.
Yes.
So we're gonna try that.
And this
So,
is what we have for breakfast now.
so I noticed like we have some kind of noodles here.
So they call it macaroni, but it's basically spaghetti.
Spaghetti, okay.
Mix it all together.
That shit was spicy.
I told you. That's what I asked you. Are you sure you want it?
Mm-hmm.
Now, you remember, you've had House of Cocoa. That's one type of breakfast. This is another type of breakfast. How does it taste compared to the one from the supermarket?
This waakye is not so, it's not as shelly.
Yes.
It's a little bit more together.
Softer.
It's softer. And honestly, I think this one is like made for this dish in particular.
Yes.
Like, it's a perfect balance for this particular dish.
So you basically mix everything together.
Together.
That's how you eat it. And I'm telling you, if he was using his hands, it would taste better.
Oh my gosh. It's really good. Like I said, it's a very heavy breakfast. It's super, super heavy.
Thank you. So you can see why you can't eat at 12 o'clock after this.
You can't. And the shito is definitely a different spice level. I've had shito probably like 8, 9, 10 times. Yeah, and this one is like the hottest one. So if you guys come here,
Eesh.
please know, tell them easy on the toe.
Wow.
So I see you got the egg.
Yes, I
Nice.
got egg in mine. I got plantain. I got stew because I can't do shito. I can't. Like you said, the spice level is high. My spice tolerance is.
It's not that
I can
good.
eat spice, but not when I'm on fire and I'm not enjoying the food anymore.
Yeah.
So I don't like my eating experience to be ruined. And then you get like a little bit of soft meat. Maybe you can try the meat.
So what is your preferred breakfast when you're here in Ghana?
Ooh, it depends. You know, it depends on what time of the day, how I wake up. Because I have been craving cocoa for a long time. So sometimes I would just really just want cocoa because it's heavy but not as heavy. Depends how many buffets you eat.
Nice.
So that's heavy but not too heavy. Or if I'm like, do you know what? I know that I've got a long day ahead, I would get waakye. But my favorite is where we're going next.
Nice. All right. Do you think like the foods, because like the girls here, they're full figured, you know, curvy, beautiful. Do you think that the foods have something to like do with that?
Most definitely. Like I said, I moved to Ghana 3 years ago.
Okay.
When I first came, I was not this size.
Ah.
After 2 months, then I started going on diets. Right now, we're just fluctuating because as much as I say I'm not gonna eat, I'm gonna be on a diet. I'm on a seafood diet. Whenever I see it, I gotta taste it.
It makes. So speaking of that, I think since I've been here, I've been the opposite though. I think for women, probably the food here, you know, fills them out, looking all good. But I don't know. For me, I don't know. I think I've lost weight.
What?
Yeah, I think I've
Even
lost.
though you're trying out so many different meals?
Yeah, because it does come to a point like you kind of miss like your food from your home sometimes, you know, and I think that has been a part of it. But it probably could be like the calorie intake. Probably even though it's very heavy, like it's not like eating some of the the weird fast foods.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
Exactly. Yeah. I need to really make sure that I take you to Kingston Kitchen, guys. Because Kingston Kitchen is divine.
Oh, I saw you post that yesterday on Instagram.
That jerk lamb takes me back to Jamaica. Literally.
This Waakye is a little bit closer to Jamaican. This one. This one, yeah.
See? Because this is the proper one.
Even though I said that, still don't mean. Guys, look at those sweet, sweet gravies, oils. Oh my gosh. This is coming from the palm nut oil, I believe. Guys, I won't lie, this it's gonna be hard for this list because Waakye is climbing up there. Waakye is climbing up there. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to do my 10 favorite dishes in Ghana. It's wow. I actually really love this one. This spot is actually better than the red spot that we went to before.
Ooh.
Yeah, there wasn't Waakye in it. It was just red and plantain. But this one got the Waakye, the noodles, the long elongated meat thing.
It's me a sausage.
That plantain.
It's sweet and soft. What do you like? Do you like ripe plantain, the green one? No, so the ripe one, which is the yellow one, or you like more the unripe?
Ripe.
That's my guy. He's a real plantain connoisseur. I like that. That was a trick question. Might have ended the video if he said the wrong thing. Nah, I don't want you to get too full.
Okay.
Because we still got somewhere else to go.
All right.
If you really love plantain, then the next stop is the spot for you.
All right.
Now you got a lot of food now.
I see like they have sausages in here. Is it popular? Because I've had like the street food sausage that's on the stick. Is that a popular thing here?
It is. It's more like a quick meat. Yeah. So you know how you have the tin sausage in Jamaica?
Yeah.
It's kind of just like that, but just a bit bigger. Would you say it tastes the same? It tastes kind of the same.
It tastes kind of the same.
Yeah.
Think about this one. It's almost close to movie hot dog.
Ooh.
If you know, what I love about movie hot dog is because it has that, whatever that skin that they have on it, it has that nice little skin. I find like, yeah, I like that. I actually like that about the sausages here. Why find that, bro? Why? Jamaicans don't know what I'm asking.
Your Coco came up to, it was only 3 CDs. Not even 3, it was 2 CDs, 50 pesos. And you got kind of full of that if you finished. You would have been full of that if you finished that.
Guys, I'm glad she mentioned that. So I got through half of this just now. I have to tap out because this is my second breakfast. And if you know Ghanaian breakfasts, there are like 3 breakfasts in one. You know, so it's my second breakfast and we have somewhere else to go. So far, I'm super excited about this link up because I got to try, this is like fast food for breakfast. Like I'm trying the foods really fast. And most importantly, I'm getting the opportunity to try some of the same things, but I realized that every spot makes it different and probably makes it better. Here, the Waakye here has been lit. You guys, when you come to Ghana, make sure you check them out. I think you said you had a video here.
I do have a video here where I came and I was inside making Waakye, guys, with these ladies.
Yeah, so she has a video here when she was inside making Waakye with the ladies. Yo, total vibe. Anyway, let's head to the next spot. Let's go.
It's like a weird sign to know that, wow, the food you ate was good and that you really enjoyed it is when you start sweating. Look at Steven. Just look at him. I'm telling you, it's an unknown hidden secret that you know that you really enjoyed it when that person is sweating and still eating. It means it was
Yo, I love that. You should like it, bud. All right, so you guys might see us right now walking on some very rough roads. That has nothing to do with what Ghana is like. Ghana has so many beautiful city-like places. If you guys never checked out the last couple of videos that I did, go check them out, see the hotels, see some of the places that I stayed at. But yeah, right now we're just getting some water.
This is like a local corner shop you would say.
Ah, local corner shop.
Like the snacks, they'll make you like hot drinks if you want. They'll
Are you
chill
kidding me?
biscuits. Yeah.
They will make you like, if you want some coffee, they make it right there and then. Yeah.
Right now we're about to get some water.
Oh, wait, this is the water?
That's water, but we'll get you a bottle of water.
Ah, nice. It's like a bag juice water.
Yes.
Back home. You see me? Put it in the bag, you drink your water. Yo, it's a vibe. Yo, Jamaica and Ghana are like so similar. We're basically the same people. It's just a whole lick of vibe. Look at the baby in the back. Cute like a button. So I have a question though. About the language.
Yes.
Have you caught on to the language?
So this is interesting because there are so many different languages in Ghana. There is, we are in Accra, so in Accra everybody is supposed to speak Ga.
Ga.
Everyone is meant to speak Ga in Accra. However, the language that the streets are really speaking is Tree. So where I'm from, I'm actually like, you know, quarter Jamaican. My grandma is Jamaican.
Nice.
So my dad is half Ghanaian, half Jamaican. So he used to speak Ga. But my mum is from Takrady, where the beautiful beaches are, and they speak Fanti. So now Ga and Fanti, they don't understand each other. So we spoke English at home. And in London, well, in Ghana, when I came, everybody was speaking Tree. So not even the languages that my parents spoke.
Wow.
So I'm learning, so I can get that. I mean, when you're speaking, I can understand 1 or 2 sentences, but fluent.
Got you. So she just made a comment just now saying that Takrady has the best beaches.
Yes, the Western region is the
What about the
best.
Volta region? Like, tell me.
Ooh, now, there's always this little argument between the Volta, but I'm telling you, the Western is the best. Volta is second. When you get to the West, there's places that look like Jamaica, Bahamas, Maldives in Ghana and the Western region. But the Volta region is definitely second best to the best beaches in Ghana.
If you guys are from the Volta region, hop over to our channel and fight her, all right? So we have a quick little stop off.
I think the life with Miss Drew.
Oh, hell yeah, the hostess with the mostest. I promise you, your supporters are like super jealous right now. They go, hell, I've been wanting to hang with Miss Drew. You just come from Jamaica and just did it with her, so.
So you're gonna see us here? And then maybe you'll see us there. Yes.
Miss Drew, spontaneous stuff.
So spontaneous that we're thinking of the title of the episode right now. Ghana in the eyes of a Jamaican.
Facts.
I don't know. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Let us know.
I think.
By the time they let us know, it's already aired. Guys, we went from the shoe shop to live on TV to go Miss Drew.
You never know who you'd meet.
Come on!
Yeah, Miss Drew's getting wired up and everything.
Yes, I am.
Wow.
Alright.
And you have camera crew and everybody back there.
Yeah.
Yo.
We went from eating to working.
Yeah.
Breakfast to working. This is an actual day in the life of Drew.
Facts.
Yeah. Been some of your favorite things or the similarities between Jamaica and Ghana that you've noticed?
The similarities between Jamaica and Ghana, it's the food. You know, it's definitely the food. Like just now we had Waakye, and that's almost like Jamaican rice and peas. So for us as Jamaicans, we can come here and feel very comfortable. I think my favorite part is seeing the chochos with the Jamaican flags on them. I'm just like, yo, so many Jamaican flags. So yeah, coming to Ghana is just like being back home. Being back home.
So where have you traveled to so far in Ghana?
The Volta region.
Yes!
the Volta region for me is a place that I really, really enjoyed because as soon as I went there, that was a lot more like Jamaica because the color schemes are different. I think here we have a lot more pastel colors, especially like in Accra, you're getting like the red from, the land and stuff. But in the Volta region, like the ocean, the sea breeze. Yo, love that.
That reminded you of Jamaica a lot?
A lot.
Oh my goodness. Did you eat any of the Volta region food?
Yes, I did. Tried their main dish was like an okra soup.
Okay, but did you have it with Banku or guys?
Akple.
How was that? Was that your first time eating okra?
Actually, on my videos, there's one video where I tried to make, some African food.
Oh,
so I did make my own fufu.
Ooh, you made your own fufu?
Yeah, I like to
Now,
cook.
there's two types of fufu, okay? There's the pounded one or there's the one on top of the stove. So which one did you do?
The one on top of the stove. I'm embarrassed to say that. But yeah, the pounded one is a lot better. It's
See?
a lot better.
The pounded one is a lot. I mean, in London, we have to only eat the one on top of the stove.
Yeah.
And the difference, man, I'm glad you can vouch.
Night
the difference is...
It's night and day.
No. Ran into a whole interview.
A whole interview with Drew. We just imagine we just briefly mentioned, oh yeah, I'm on TV. Then he ended up being on TV.
Oh yeah. It's crazy.
Spontaneous life.
I think that's just the teachable moment for the day, like when you see somebody like treat everybody in on the same level. Cause she was just filming her her slipper thing, and I was like, all right, cool, you're a YouTuber, I'm a YouTuber. Okay, let's link up. And here we are.
Big things are going.
Yeah. So right now we're going to go to the beans.
Yes, we're about to it's still kind of breakfast time, guys.
Yeah.
It's getting to brunch because this is the time where people who have started work at 5 a.m. they're on their lunch break. So it's around 10 o'clock now.
Wow.
And so we're gonna see the queue.
So, we there started to talk a while ago about Jamaican food and blah 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 and what place. I don't really. Yeah, I went to one restaurant, wasn't the biggest fan of it. But you were shouting out.
I'm telling you, Kingston Kitchen, guys. Kingston Kitchen is the best. It tastes like home. The oxtail, the mac and cheese, the brown stew, the curry goat, everything. Only difference is that the meats are different.
Of course.
The meats are rich, it's fine. But when you talk about the flavors, the taste, the texture, everything, Kingston Kitchen. But in Ghana, it's hard to get some of the, like pig feet and all the proper things that you'd put inside maybe like a red pea stew.
Yeah.
Red pea soup.
Yeah.
Red pea soup, guys, is my favorite. I'm sorry, I love it. I will ride or die for it. Every time I go to London, I go to my Jamaican shop one stop. But I miss that. We don't really have Ackee and saltfish out here either. Even getting like proper saltfish, we don't get that out here in Ghana. So I have to fly to London for that.
Wow. Yeah, so she was saying there they have like the basic good stuff, but you won't find every single thing, which is fine.
Yes.
Sometimes do what you can do to the best of your ability and not overstretch yourself. And like she was mentioning, some of the meats are a little bit different here, of course, so that might influence the taste. So hopefully I get a chance to try out Kingston Kitchen. If I don't this time, well, you said you're gonna hook me up.
I'm gonna make sure that I send it to him. I might not be able to hand it over to you,
okay,
but you're gonna taste it and be like, Drew was right.
All right, seem like a reach. Back at our little stop. Don't seem like a long wait. So, all right, let's go in and see how this red tastes.
Right, here we go. It's hot in the kitchen.
Yeah.
This is what we call breakfast, and it was heavy.
I like how you drop it on man like a stone. It's heavy.
You see?
It's heavy.
You see? So, this is plantain and beans.
Okay.
Also known as red.
Straight.
But they have it for breakfast in Ghana. Another heavy meal. Open and hold that. And there we go.
Is this for one person?
This is all for one person. Oh my God. That's all for one person. Look at that, guys.
Guys, all of this food.
All of that for one person.
For one person.
For breakfast. And you see at the beginning when I said to him, oh, you're going to be able to eat it. He's like, oh, of course. 12 o'clock. Can you understand why now?
Let me take it back.
You see? You see? You understand why now you're going to be full till about 3 o'clock if you have this in the morning.
Straight.
Heavy. So everything is separated, guys, as you can see.
How much cedis?
This was 10 cedis.
It's not bad. It's a lot of plantain for 10 cedis. Straight.
Exactly. So you got your oil, your plantain, your beans, your sausage. Now you either can have sausage or you can have egg. Now egg in Ghana is like everybody's substitute for meat. If you don't have meat,
I realize, yeah.
or you don't have money to buy chicken or meat or whatever, just get egg. It's
Straight.
from the same chicken.
Shit.
And then you got your beans here. You got some pepper if you like pepper, and then of course your plantain. So now usually they would mix it all together, but it all depends on how much oil you like, how much pepper you like. That's why I like them to separate it, because sometimes it's too much oil or too spicy for me, or maybe I want my beans to be a little bit more healthy with less oil, even though it's palm oil.
Yeah.
So it is healthy oil, but still. So we're gonna mix it all together and let's see how it goes. That's a lot of oil. Can you imagine?
That's a lot of oil.
And they will put all of that in your meat, in your food.
This I could do 2 cookings with
You
this for
see?
sure. Oh, there's also Gary, I see.
Of course, and Gary as well, which we put on top. There you go. So your first red, was it like this?
No, everything was put together.
Yes. Did you have the Gary?
Yes, the Gary is on top for sure.
Good.
But I did learn that it's best to mix everything up, because when I had the Gary, it was kind of crunchy. People are saying, oh, you gotta mix it all up.
Everything has to, all of this, guys, must be mixed together for it to taste good.
Yeah.
So we're about to get into it.
All right, I want you to do this for me, because like this is gonna be like a task.
This is literally like a job.
I want you to do it like your way. So the way how
I would eat it.
the amount of oil that you will put with it.
Okay, I wouldn't put that much oil, guys. I'm not really an oil fan like that. So,
Wow.
you
Wow.
you sit, you
Love
put it on
this.
your lap. This is like, I told you, breakfast time. You're
Want
at
me to
the
hold
office.
something? Yeah, let me hold
You
something.
can hold the oil.
Yeah,
Put the Gary over there. You like pepper.
I do. You don't overspice it.
Well, the green pepper is meant to be, they call it pakbo shito. But it's literally not mixed with like, it's different from the black one. I think the green one is less spicier than the black, but each to their own.
True.
Yeah. So you see the beans, this is like in its raw state. Just boiled and seasoned.
So nice. Here we have red palm oil. I did say in a previous video on my channel that they don't really make this back home in Jamaica. Someone said to me that that they do. If you guys know anywhere in Jamaica that you can actually buy this like freely in large quantities, let me know.
You would buy it? You would eat it?
I actually have red palm oil at home. I bought and this is why I said that, because back home I actually have 2 jars.
Wow!
I had to order it from Amazon to get it.
Into Jamaica?
Yeah, because it's not something that you just walk into any store and you see red palm oil. Because I checked all my stores first, there wasn't any. Chances are you might have like a Rasta man where, know about the thing.
Yes.
Because I believe we might have a couple of the trees there for sure.
Definitely. Then it does get messy, guys. Like, this is why you also sometimes... Oh my God!
Alright guys, so I'm not sure what I actually captured on this camera. To be fair, really came here to, hang with Drew.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So again, check out her channel and everything.
Please do.
And whatever I caught, I'll definitely show you guys. But yeah, the last dish was definitely my favorite. That was my favorite one. To see the full video, if anything that I missed out, check out it on Miss Drew, hostess with the mostest.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. So if I'm gonna be honest, today isn't that day I really wanted to kind of vlog, so I'm just gonna do this as snippets, because I know a lot of people who are thinking of coming to Ghana don't necessarily want to do street food. So right now we are at the Skybar. It's pretty high up here in Ghana. And yeah, it's a nice little atmosphere thus far. We just checked out the menu. It's a pretty small menu. Usually for restaurants, when the menu is so small, it should mean that they are focusing on those items only, and they should be really, really, really good. For me personally, a flip side, I don't like a menu that is too extensive and I don't want one that is too small. So yeah, we ordered, what did we get? I got the salmon. I got salmon and some bacon, potatoes, and Jilly just got some
crispy prawns.
crispy prawns.
And yam chips.
Nice. So yeah, Jilly looking really good today. Yeah, drop it in the comments. So she got crispy prawns. And yeah, let's see how that turns out. And I hope you guys check this place out if you are looking for more of the uptown kind of thing. So quick disclaimer, one of the reasons why I kind of don't really want to film so much is that they don't really like when that happens, but they say you can bring your phone. So yeah, not so much in a big mood for that, but it's pretty high up. You get to see a lot of Ghana from this point of view. And yeah, hopefully the food is good. I can look straight over there and actually see a plane landing right now at Kotoka. So it's also close to the airport as well. Pretty nice up here, right? One thing that you guys should also pay attention, this spot requires a reservation. So you have to make sure you get reserved. Honestly, I think they kind of hype up the reservation situation. They make it seem like a bunch of people come here. And yeah, it's not really much here right now. However, this is one day after Valentine's Day. I'm sure Valentine's Day here was sold out. We came up here one night to check it out, and on the weekend, yeah, there were quite a few people, which is understandable. I think the best time to come here is definitely the time that we got here, around 5 o'clock. So you can actually see everything when the daylight is out, but then you're gonna see that huge shift from the landscape that you see to all the glistening lights that are there in Ghana.
The crispy prawns, tempura peppers, and yam crisp. And he's having the seared salmon, filet, blah blah blah. Yeah. Do you guys have club bears? You have bears here?
Alright, so you guys can see I am lounging here at the moment. There are a couple lounge areas that I can see immediately. In this area, there's about 3. So if you guys are looking for a place to lounge about, have some drinks with the boys or with the girls, this is definitely the spot. But you guys know I'm really here mainly for the food and not just the atmosphere. Now, one of the things that I've noticed while I'm here in Ghana, a lot of times when they say it's salmon, it's really tuna. So I ordered salmon. I double checked with the waiter to make sure that it's pink salmon because I'm looking to try another kind of aquatic creature here and not just having tilapia or tuna. So what did you go for? Club beer?
Yeah, club beer.
You must really like that.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. I'm kind of glad I never ordered prawns.
I said, hungry won't kill me.
Huh? I'm gonna kill it. Yeah, I don't really appreciate how they breaded those prawns. Do you like it that way?
It looks like more bread than prawns.
Oh yeah.
But let's see what it is.
But I'm actually happy that this is indeed salmon. And the plating looks really good. Whoever did the salmon understood the assignment completely. Guys, I wish they weren't so salty about cameras here, but yo, the salmon is so tender and then the skin is so crispy, yo. Wow. You tried it?
You have a piece, Mama.
Hmm?
I'm gonna try it better now. I just had a piece, but that's good.
Wow. Yeah. Crime scene.